companies rely on a set of standard key performance indicators, in short KPI, to measure the health of their business. KPI for revenues, but also KPI for employee retention, for customer satisfaction, for brand awareness, for auditing, and more. Let's start with a very common KPI, the Revenue Growth KPI. Revenue Growth KPI measures the increase in revenues in a business from one period to the next. The period could be month, quarter, or even day. The growth revenue rate is defined as the difference in total revenues between the current period and the previous period divided by the total revenues in the previous period. The data usually comes from the entries registered as credit in the company accounting journal. This data is often stored in an ERP system like SAP or Odoo, or in a database or in an Excel file. Thanks to the many connector nodes available within KNIME Analytics Platform, the journal entry data can be pulled out of SAP using the SAP Reader node, out of Odoo API using the GetRequest node, out of a database using the appropriate database connector node, or simply out of an Excel file using the Excel Reader node. Sometimes this data must be integrated with other internal or external data, like for example the exchange rate if sales happen outside of the company selected currency. This new data must be joined together with the journal entry data. The simplest solution workflow then includes the following steps. Read journal entry data from SAP, Salesforce, a database, or an Excel file with the appropriate reader node. Collect the exchange rates, possibly via REST API from an external service. Join the two tables together, journal entries and exchange rates, by date to obtain one single global data table. Fill in the missing values in credit and debit columns with zeros via the missing value node. We assume that no payment or no sale was made if the item is not present in the column. Adjust the amount in credit debit according to the exchange rate where needed. Aggregate revenues for a specific year over a specific period. Calculate the revenue growth KPI according to the formula, and then visualize the KPI via bar chart. To make things a bit more dynamic, we include the two bar chart nodes into a component. In the same component, we also include a widget node to select the year for the calculation. We complete the dashboard by adding a title and a logo image. And this is the final data up.